Alright, so today we are uploading a SVG file into the Cricut design space. We've already gone ahead and uploaded it because this is a very large file and it takes about a minute to load. So Lorraine, if you want to go ahead and show us how we can actually see the file. Since it's so large, you're not even able to see it on the space.
Yeah, so we are actually zoomed out into like 25% and you still can't physically see the file. You're gonna literally have to search for the file at this current point. There's the actual file, but because it's so huge, we can't see it. If you look at the top, the width is showing 147.20, which is too huge. So what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to resize it. We're gonna start with the width because that's the easiest thing to do. So we're gonna erase all of that out and put it at 12 inches. What will happen is they will auto adjust for the height. So now you can actually see the file. The file itself is going to be 12 inches wide and 10 inches in height.
Okay, so I noticed that there's a black background. I'm sure this is probably meant to go on like a dark or black shirt. So is there a way to remove this background?
Exactly. There actually is a way to remove it. So if you look on the sides, the right hand side, you'll see these little things that look like eyes. Now that's what sometimes I call it the looking glass. So what you can do actually is look for where that square is, which is going to be right down here. And what you can do is you can put it to where you won't be able to view it. So if you click that eye, what it does is it takes the black background out. You can always put it back too. You just clicking it again, the black background can go back. Kind of gives you a guideline as far as what it would look like on a black shirt.
Gotcha.
We can zoom back in now by going down to the bottom, zooming back in on the file if you wanted to bring it up closer to view certain things. And there you have it.
So since this is a SVG file, it's actually ready to be cut, correct?
Correct.
And
it is ready to be cut.
You can sectionalize it or cut it by sections?
You can cut it by sections. So what you can also do is, so how you have the Georgia Bulldogs, you want it cut in white with the black outlines. It's showing all of this on the sides. So basically what I do sometimes, if I can't figure out which little black squiggle goes to it, you can just use the eye again and remove it and you can see where it came off of. So that little squiggle is actually from up here, so you can take that off and see what you're working with. Okay, you see what I'm saying? So you can do that with all of those right there actually. And then you would just go to, once you figure out what you're doing and how you want it, you just go to make it. It's saying that the file is too large, but all you would have to do is upload a larger mat as far as the 12 by 24.
Gotcha.
But what it'll do is it shows the cuts on the mats. So this is showing you where the cuts are. You can arrange it whichever way you want to. You can do it like that, or what you could also do is weld the certain colors or group the color. What it does for you already actually is group the colors.
So you can cut by color.
So you can cut by color or you can cut by section.
Gotcha.
All depends on how you want to do it.
Gotcha.
All right, that's it.
Well, thank you so much, Miss Lorraine.